Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can change currency on Revolut. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Revolut application and log in with your account. After opening the application, you will see the home page of it. Overall states are available on here, so that you won't need to go anywhere to check them. You can see the currency currently I have is British pounds, and you won't be able to change it as you were the one who made the final decision while creating your account. You can see that there is no currency change option available here. So as simple as that, if you tap on this little blue arrow beside your amount, you'll be able to see that a pop-up appears. At the top right of this pop-up, it has a button that add new. Just tap on it. What will happen is that now you will be able to add a new currency of your choice here. It will ask you to select the currency. After that, it will change it into that currency. To revert it back, simply click on the arrow again and you will be able to select it again. This feature here helps the user to do the transactions in the currency of your choice. And that's how you can change your currency on Revolut. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.